Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online card class for May 2025. To sign up for this class, please use the Google form, and I'll link it up here in the top right hand corner. Or you can visit my blog for more information, and the link is below in the description box. In this class, we will be creating 5 beautiful handmade cards with large floral images and stamping blend markers. I'll be using the Mixed Florals bundle. So here's the beautiful stamp set, and then it does have coordinating dies, and the Mixed Labels bundle. So here's the stamp set and coordinating dies as well. You may use the same bundles or choose one of your own. Make sure to look for large floral images that you can color and greetings with fun label shapes. If you would like to have me help you pick something out, please reach out through the comments, or you can find my email address, and that's below in the description. Let's take a minute to look at the cards now. Here are the cards we will be creating for this card class. In this class, we'll be using the Mixed Floral and Mixed Label bundles together to create these beautiful cards. I love the bold color combinations and the extra details I've added to each card. I will also be showing how you can mix colors with the Stampin' Blend markers to get beautiful painted look to the flowers. I will be doing a lot of other techniques in this class, from blending backgrounds, splattering, using dies in interesting ways, heat embossing, and embossing label dies. There will be so much you can learn from this class. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a Cardstock Refill Kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class. This class will run from Monday, May 26th through Friday, May 30th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 5 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35, and you can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is in the description below. Registration for this class closes on Sunday, May 11th. There are only a couple weeks to sign up, so register early to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes for 5 cards. No pre-cut shapes will be included. A full pack of Rhinestone basic jewels and a full roll of white baker's twine. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a Cardstock Refill Kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes all the cardstock and envelopes to make another set of cards. It does not include the white baker's twine or rhinestones. You will have enough of these items left over to make your cards. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are live, and you can watch them through a private Facebook group or with a private YouTube link. We will have 5 live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card for that day and show you the techniques needed. If you're able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will be available after, so you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be providing written PDFs with step-by-step instructions for each card to everyone. If you cannot join me live, you can choose to have the private video link and the written PDF instructions sent to your email so you can complete the projects at a different time. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store, and you can find the link in the description below. You will want your stamp set and coordinating dies. Again, I'm using mixed florals with the mixed floral dies. I'm also using the mixed labels with the mixed label dies. So look for large floral images that you can color. And then you'll want to have some fun dies for your labels or for your greetings. I'm also using the Around It All dies, and they're just some background shapes. If you have circles that you like, you can use those dies as well. You don't have to have these, but just look for a large shape to put behind some of your flower images. You're also going to need a variety of blends. And you can mix up the colors. These are the blends I will be using. I have Old Olive, Lemon Lime Twist, Daffodil Delight, Calypso Coral, Flirty Flamingo, Melon Mambo, Fresh Freesia, and Balmy Blue. We're also going to be doing some blending. So you're going to need to have these ink colors: Balmy Blue, Calypso Coral, and Granny Apple Green, as well as some blending brushes that coordinate with those colors. You will want to have your Memento black ink, and then for some heat embossing you'll need Versamark ink as well as an embossing buddy. You can find this in the Embossing Additions kit. I will be using white embossing powder, and then of course your heat tool. I have a couple more things that you'll need. One is an embossing folder. I am using the Plaster Painting 3D embossing folder, which coordinates with the mixed labels, the mixed florals and mixed label. It's all part of the same suite. So you could use that or a different one. And then we're also going to be using the Stampin' Pierce mat for some of our techniques. So you'll want to have this as well. Here are the tools and adhesives you will need. You will want your paper trimmer and your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. You will also need your Take-A-Pick, and you're going to want to have the stylus inserts. And honestly, I can't find mine at the moment, and so I'm using the stylus from the Simply Scored tool. But the Take-A-Pick tool does come with a stylus attachment for one of the sides. So just try to find that. You will also want to have ribbon scissors and your paper snips, as well as something to clean your stamps. I like the Simply Chamois. Don't forget about your bone folder, coordinating clear blocks, and then your favorite adhesives. I like to have on hand adhesive sheets, mini glue dots, tear and tape. My favorite adhesive is the multi-purpose liquid glue, as well as the different sizes of dimensionals, regular and mini. And then you could also choose the Stampin' Seal or Stampin' Seal Plus. I am so excited for this class and hope that you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.